Today we will make a butterfly using our leftover coffee filters from the Dot Day project. Take the coffee filter that you used for the Dot Day project and set it to the side. Using your fingers, scrunch up the coffee filter until it forms a bow shape. So pinch it in the middle and fluff out the edges. Once you have it pinched, put your finger on the pinched part and take a chenille stem or a pipe cleaner and put it underneath where you've pinched the middle of the coffee filter. Fold it in half and press down firmly. You can wrap one pipe cleaner around once and push it again, or you can twist it at the top. Once you've twisted it several times at the top, bend the edges over until it forms a curl. If this is difficult to do with your finger, you can also take a pencil and wrap it around a pencil on the table. Once you have those antennae the way you like them, push down in the middle one more time and fluff out the edges. And there you go, your very own butterfly. Again, pinch your coffee filter in the middle to where it looks like a bow. Put a pipe cleaner underneath, fold it over and put your finger on top. Wrap it around once and twist the top. Once it's twisted, it should look like this. And then fold the top over to where it curls. Voila! Then you have a butterfly.